on the street, cause it's the top of part of the week. Crank up the beat and on the street, cause it's the top of part of the week.
Ready? Hey, it's Sanjay, your friendly parts dealer over here at Trev Deeley Motorcycles. Hey there, I'm here to talk to you about rear LED turn signals. These are really slick and nice. They add red ring as a running light, and it also provides you with a really bright brake light as well. They only take 5 minutes to install, and just like with most Harley parts, this is a 1-year warranty item. So in case something doesn't work, if the light doesn't work, you're always more than welcome to return it within a year. If you want these parts, come on by to Trev Deeley Motorcycles.
Raise your glasses.
I didn't put it down here.
Let the laughter fill the street. Cause nothing beats that feeling. This is part of the week.